Hello everyone, I hope everyone is good and healthy. In this video, I'm going to discuss about another way Google suspension, very famous, very well known and very common, and that is your Google Ads account has been suspended for suspicious payments. What to do, what we did, and how we were able to get the account restored in less than 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to tell you about this. But before I start, I want you to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video which I update. And I mostly talk about Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, Google Merchant Center, and online marketing. So let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, so here let me make myself short. So here you can see that this is a case study regarding Google Ads account. Okay, what happened exactly? The account, a client bought an account. We also sell a Google Ads account. So the client bought an account, and his Google Ads account got suspended for suspicious payments. Okay, this is a common error and which you usually see with the Google Ads. And because since he bought an account with us, so we provide after sales variety as well, so you don't have to worry on these things as well. So what we did was we thoroughly investigated the website. We thoroughly investigated the website for compliance. Okay, why it is necessary, although it's an payment error, is because what usually happens is that if your website is not compliant, then first you are going to see this error, and when you are going to reapply for this, you are going to see circumventing system error. So to avoid getting a circumventing system error, it is very important and necessary that your website is thoroughly investigated for compliance. Once you see on the compliance, you also have to go through the account for the compliance for any issues regarding any issues or any error. So and then here you can see the account. This is the account, and in case if you look over here, and you can see over here that your account is unsuspended and your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. I'm going to show you with the customer IDs as well to see how we were able to get it restored within 24 hours, and then I'm going to tell you what we did. So here you can see that the account has been suspended. Okay, you can see the timing over here. Today 0.45, and like in today we got an email again that your Google Ads account has been deactivated. So yeah, the question is what we did on getting the account restored. I told you as in this on what to do, what you have to do, and once you are get it sorted with this, we have a dedicated manager provided to us by Google, as we are a Google partner company. So what we do is we did discussion with them, and we then had a appeal, and then I personally follow up, sent an email to our dedicated manager to get the account back up and running. Luckily it was restored within 24 hours, but some cases takes a lot of time, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So but in any way you have to make sure that there are no issues with the billing, you are using a legit business, you have a legit website, and you are complying with Google Ads in every way possible. Then yeah, we can work with you and help you in getting your Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Merchant Center accounts sorted. So yeah, in case if you want to work with us, let us know, and we'll be able to gladly help and work with you in getting accounts restored like this. What you have to do is you have to follow the link in the description to get started with us. Okay, so yeah, thank you, good luck, and bye bye.